Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you how to use timer to shut down your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you press Windows plus X. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and press R. And then what you want to do right here is to type in command shutdown. Space -S space -T space and the time. I'm going to put 5 right here. You can put any number of your choice. It can be 10 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Then come down below right here and hit on OK. In a few seconds, your PC is going to shut down based on the time you choose, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.